A for apple, apple means सेब. B for bat, bat means बल्ला. C for car, car means गाड़ी. D for dog, dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for flag, flag means झंडा. G for goat, goat means बकरी. H for helicopter, helicopter means helicopter. I for inkpot, inkpot means दवात. J for joker, joker means joker. K for king, king means राजा. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for monkey, monkey means बंदर. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for orange, orange means संतरा. P for pigeon, pigeon means कबूतर. Q for queen, queen means रानी. R for rose, rose means गुलाब का फूल. S for ship, ship माने जहाज. T for tiger, tiger means चीता. U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता. V for van, van means गाड़ी. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for x-ray, x-ray means x-ray. Y for yacht, yacht means नाव. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Thank you for watching.